we've learned a Douglas County Sheriff deputy will not face charges after shooting a man accused of fleeing from authorities during a November traffic stop for excessive speeding.
Some might think that tonight the man's attorneys claims body camera video of the incident shows the shooting was not justified. News Edge reporter Joy Dukes is at the live desk with more.
A Douglas County grand jury voted not to move forward with charges against that deputy who shot Cameron Hunt in the chest moments after he crashed his car. Hunt's attorney says even in shock, his client followed the commands of deputies but was shot anyway.
Give me your hand! Give me your hand!
Body camera video from a November 2023 traffic stop shows the moments Douglas County Sheriff's deputies confront 36-year-old Cameron Hunt with guns drawn after a traffic stop for speeding ended in a serious crash.
At the time that this deputy shot Mr. Hunt was in an overturned vehicle.
His attorney Graham Schofield, who shared video of the shooting with Fox 5, says his client was headed to a gas station the night of November 19th when deputies clocked him going 113 miles per hour in a 70-mile-per-hour zone on I-20 near Thornton Road and initiated the stop. Schofield says Hunt lost control of the car as he tried to slow down.
He's in a vulnerable position. He's just been involved in a rollover accident.
Airbags in the car deployed. Seconds after deputies issued their commands, video appears to show him raising both hands and then...
Why shoot?
He went like this. Schofield says a deputy who had recently joined the force shot Hunt in the back. From there, responding officers try to render aid.
The bullet ended up being lodged within an inch of his heart.
Officers search the car for a weapon but don't find one. Hunt was charged with speeding, reckless driving, driving with a suspended license, failure to maintain lane, and fleeing. After being released from the hospital, he was taken to the Douglas County Jail where he remains in custody. Schofield says a week after the incident, investigators with the GBI found a rifle inside the vehicle, which he faces additional charges for. He denies it belongs to his client.
He had no weapon in his hands. He had no weapon in his immediate vicinity.
Schofield tells Fox 5 they are now in the process of filing a civil lawsuit against the sheriff's office. The Douglas County Sheriff's Office declined to comment. It did not respond to questions regarding the employment status of the deputy involved. At the live desk, Joy Dukes, Fox 5 News.
All right, Joy, thanks.